Imagine a world where you can maintain the health of your kidneys without resorting to expensive medications or invasive treatments. Does that sound too good to be true? The reality is that many people underestimate the power of natural solutions while struggling with problems that could be easily avoided. When was the last time you thought about your kidneys? These often forgotten organs play a vital role in your overall health, filtering toxins and maintaining your body's balance. What you may not know is that small changes in your daily life can completely transform the health of your kidneys. If you're tired of hearing the same old recommendations, get ready to discover unconventional yet highly effective tips for taking care of your kidneys. And the best part, these tips are easy to apply and can make a surprising difference. Let's embark on this journey together to uncover the secrets that no one else is telling you about kidney health. Green tea benefits. Green tea, an ancient beverage, is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Rich in polyphenol and antioxidants, especially catechins, it plays a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, helping to keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Imagine green tea as an invisible ally, silently working to protect and support your health from the inside out. People concerned with kidney health often turn to this infusion as a natural way to strengthen kidney function and regulate blood pressure. Moreover, green tea has shown promise in managing diabetes, offering antifibrotic effects that can slow down kidney fibrosis, a common issue in patients with kidney problems. Imagine that by incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you are giving your body an extra chance to protect itself against the damage that diabetes can cause to the kidneys. It's like taking a step forward and protecting your health, and best of all, in a simple and natural way. But to get the most out of these benefits, not just any green tea will do. The secret lies in the quality of the leaves and the method of preparation. High-quality green tea, prepared with loose, fresh leaves, can be compared to an elixir for health, ensuring that all its nutrients are absorbed by the body. Try replacing commercial tea bags with high-quality green tea leaves. You'll notice the difference not only in the flavor but in the sense of well-being it brings. The power of green tea goes beyond taste or tradition. It is a practical and accessible tool for those looking to improve their kidney health naturally and effectively. Incorporating it into your daily routine could be the key to keeping your kidneys healthy, while also preparing you to discover other natural allies that can complement this journey of healthcare. Lemon juice as a kidney ally. Lemon juice, often associated with freshness and simplicity, carries a hidden power when it comes to kidney health. Rich in citrate, it acts as a defender of the kidneys, helping to prevent the formation of stones by binding to calcium in the urine. Imagine lemon juice as a caretaker, keeping your kidneys free of unwanted waste, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Including a glass of lemon water in your morning routine can be a simple gesture, but with significant impact on your health. Despite the acidic taste we feel when drinking it, lemon juice transforms into a powerful alkalizer after being metabolized by the body. This alkalization process is crucial for maintaining balanced urinary pH, which is key to avoiding the acidic environment that favors kidney stone formation. It's curious to think that something as common as lemon juice can have such a sophisticated and beneficial effect on kidney health. In addition, lemon juice is a rich source of antioxidants, like vitamin C, which combats oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, issues that can compromise kidney function in the long term. Incorporating this drink into your routine can be an act of self-care that goes beyond the simple pleasure of a refreshing taste. Imagine each sip of lemon juice as a natural defense against the daily assaults your kidneys face. To maximize these benefits, a simple and effective recipe is to mix lemon juice with water and a touch of apple cider vinegar. This combination not only helps cleanse the kidneys but also promotes a feeling of revitalization and balance in the body. Try incorporating this practice into your daily routine and notice how small changes can have a big impact on your health, preparing you to discover even more secrets that nature has to offer. Black coffee advantages. Black coffee, one of the most beloved beverages worldwide, offers more than just an energy boost. Packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, it directly combats oxidative stress, one of the main enemies of kidney health. Imagine coffee as that reliable friend who's always there to help, providing crucial support for kidney function. By drinking a cup of coffee in the morning, you're not only waking up your body, but also giving it an extra dose of protection for kidney health. In addition to antioxidants, coffee contains caffeine, which improves blood flow and acts as a mild diuretic, helping to eliminate waste from the body. This effect can be especially beneficial for those looking to keep their kidneys clean and functioning efficiently. However, as in any good relationship, balance is essential. Consuming too much coffee can lead to dehydration, which can overburden the kidneys. Therefore, finding the right balance is key to reaping the benefits without adverse effects. A practical example of how to incorporate coffee healthily is to limit consumption to 1 or 2 cups a day and avoid adding sugar or artificial creams. These small adjustments not only help maintain the authentic flavor of the coffee but also ensure that you're consuming a beverage that truly benefits your health. Imagine each sip of coffee as a small investment in your kidneys' health, keeping them active and protected throughout the day. As we explore the benefits of coffee, it's interesting to note how this simple drink can become a powerful part of a kidney health care routine. However, as with all good things in life, moderation is key. While enjoying your coffee, be mindful of the next steps to keep your kidneys in top shape, exploring other natural drinks that can complement this journey. Beet juice benefits. Beet juice, with its vibrant red color, hides a treasure trove of health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting kidney function. Rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, beet juice is known for its ability to lower blood pressure. This effect is crucial for maintaining kidney health, as high blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for kidney disease. Imagine that by drinking beet juice, you're giving your kidneys extra protection against daily challenges. In addition to nitrates, beet juice is loaded with antioxidants like betalains and vitamin C, which fight oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants act as guardians of the kidneys, preventing cellular damage and keeping the organ functioning at its best. Incorporating beet juice into your diet can be a powerful strategy for those who want to care for their kidneys in a natural and tasty way. However, it's important to consume beet juice in moderation. Despite its many benefits, excess intake can lead to the formation of oxalate, a compound that can contribute to the development of kidney stones in predisposed individuals. Therefore, when including beet juice in your routine, it's essential to balance it with a varied diet rich in other nutrients. This will ensure that you reap all the benefits without putting your kidneys at risk. Incorporating beet juice into your daily life can be as simple as preparing a homemade recipe with fresh beets, a bit of lemon, and ginger to enhance the flavor. This drink not only promotes kidney health but also offers a burst of energy and vitality. As you continue to explore the secrets of kidney health, get ready to discover how other fruits and natural juices can complement this journey. Cranberry juice for kidney health. Cranberry juice, known for its unique and slightly acidic flavor, has emerged as a valuable ally for kidney health. Rich in proanthocyanidins, this juice offers anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the kidneys from infections and damage. Imagine cranberry juice as a protective shield, forming a barrier against the daily threats that can compromise kidney function. Incorporating this drink into your routine can be a smart strategy to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning well. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, cranberry juice is known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins present in the juice prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can eventually affect the kidneys. For those who have suffered from recurrent UTIs, adding cranberry juice to the diet can be an important preventive step, helping to keep the urinary tract clean and healthy. Cranberry juice is also rich in antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and may help lower blood pressure. By drinking cranberry juice regularly, you're offering your body an extra layer of protection against the factors that can lead to a decline in kidney function. It's like providing your kidneys with the tools they need to fight premature aging and maintain long-term health. To maximize the benefits, it's important to choose pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Adding a glass of cranberry juice to your day can be a simple and tasty way to invest in your kidneys' health. As we explore other healthy drink options, stay tuned for other natural ways to keep your kidneys balanced and functioning optimally. Seltzer water for hydration. Sparkling water, also known as seltzer, can be a refreshing and healthy alternative for those who want to stay hydrated without consuming sugary drinks. One of the biggest advantages of seltzer is that it provides necessary hydration without adding calories or sodium to the diet, which is especially beneficial for kidney health. Imagine sparkling water as a silent partner, ensuring your body receives the hydration it needs to keep your kidneys working efficiently. In addition to being a pure source of hydration, The light carbonation in seltzer can help prevent kidney stone formation by increasing urine flow. Increasing urine volume is an important factor in preventing kidney stones, as it helps dilute the minerals that can crystallize and form stones. For those looking to keep their kidneys in good health, replacing sodas and other sugary drinks with seltzer can be a simple yet powerful change. Another advantage of seltzer is its versatility. You can add it to natural juices like lemon or cranberry to create a tasty drink full of benefits for the kidneys. This combination not only makes sparkling water more interesting but also enhances the benefits of the fruits, promoting even more robust kidney health. It's a practical way to maintain the body's water balance without sacrificing flavor. Incorporating seltzer into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to take care of your kidney health. By making this choice, you're prioritizing hydration, one of the most important pillars for keeping the kidneys healthy. While we explore other ways to keep our kidneys functioning well, it's always good to remember that small changes can have big impacts on long-term health. Now that you know these simple and effective strategies for taking care of your kidneys, the real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Remember, keeping your kidneys healthy is not just a matter of luck, but of conscious choices. Are you willing to make these changes to ensure a long and healthy life? Imagine the positive impact these small actions can have not only on your kidneys but on your overall health. Start implementing these tips today and observe the difference. Are you ready to take control of your health and prevent future problems? Don't let this opportunity pass by. Do your part now, and your kidneys will thank you for a lifetime. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning about how to take care of your health naturally and effectively. Let's go together on this journey towards a healthier and more balanced lifestyle.